Dear student, welcome to online class. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Today, I am going to start English grammar class for 9-10. Before starting to my class, I would like to introduce myself. I am Anisur Rahman, assistant teacher in English, Shadipur, Adarsh High School, Lalpur. Our topic is transformation of sentences. At this stage, I will discuss with you assertive to interrogative sentences. Dear student, remember, the main theme of the changing sentences is sentence will change, but its meaning will not change. Okay. Look at the blackboard. If assertive sentence remain no or none, it will be anyone in interrogative sentence. Nothing, everything, never, ever, always. So, some correction, nothing, anything, anything. Some correction, nothing, anything. There are some rules of interrogative, assertive sentence to interrogative sentence. Look at them. Rule number 1. If assertive sentence is present indefinite tense, if assertive sentence is present indefinite tense, we use do or does to make it interrogative. Again, rule number first, if assertive sentence is present in definite tense, we use do or does to make it interrogative. Now, here is question, when we will use do or does? When will we use do or does? If the sentence is subject third person singular number and end of the main verbs remain is or yes, we will use does. Again, if the subject is third person singular number, at the end of the main verbs remain is or yes, we will does, and otherwise we will do. Take some example. Let's start example. He reads a book. Doesn't he read a book? Okay. Number 2. They play game. Don't they play game? Dear student, look at the blackboard. Read. Here is remain as, we use does or doesn't. And here is play, subject third person plural, we use don't. Okay, have you understand? More example. more example. He never tells a lie. Doesn't he always tell a lie? Okay. Dear student, rules number 2. Right? 2. If the assertive sentence is past indefinite tense, we will use did to make interrogative. Okay. Here is example. Example number 1. He did the job. Okay. Did অর্থাৎ didn't he do the job? Dear student, তোমাদের বোঝার জন্য আমি একটু বাংলা বলছি। দ্বিতীয় রুলসে আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে সেন্টেন্সটা ছিল পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্স। এখানে তোমরা জানো যে সেন্টেন্সের অর্থাৎ টেন্সের ধরন অনুযায়ী সাবজেক্টের পরে মূল ভার্বের পাস্ট ফর্ম বসে। সেক্ষেত্রে আমরা ডিড দিয়ে প্রশ্ন করব, আর নিয়মের সবসময় নট থাকলে উঠে যাবে এবং না থাকলে সেখানে বসাতে হবে। এবং যেহেতু ডিডকে সাবজেক্টের সামনে বসিয়ে বা ডু বা ডাসকেও সামনে বসিয়ে প্রশ্ন করতে হয়, প্রশ্নবোধক বাক্য তৈরি করতে হয়, সেই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা সেটাকে শর্ট অন করে ব্যবহার করেছি। আর এখানে নট ব্যবহার হয়নি, যার কারণে আমরা নট এনেছি। এখানে ডিডেন্ট হি, বিষয়টি হচ্ছে ডিড হচ্ছে মূল ভাবে পাস্ট ফর্ম, সেটা পরিবর্তন হয়ে পাস্ট ইনডিফিনিট টেন্সে প্রশ্ন করা হলে তখন সেটা প্রেজেন্ট ফর্মে পরিণত হবে। ওকে, হ্যাভ ইউ আন্ডারস্টুড ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট? Look at the blackboard and more example. Rupa played Ludo. Didn't Rupa play Ludo? Okay. Played become play. Have you understood, dear student? Rules number 3. Rules number 3. If assertive sentence is subject plus the verb, we use the verb before the subject to make interrogative. Okay, again, if the assertive sentence is subject plus the verb, that means structure is subject plus the verb. When we make it interrogative, we use the verb before the subject and make it interrogative. Let's some example. They were playing cricket. Weren't they playing cricket? Okay. Let's more example. You should obey your parents. Shouldn't you obey your parents? Okay, dear student, have you understand? Next rule, rules number 4. Rules number 4. If the assertive sentence remains everybody, everyone, all, we will use who does not to make them interrogative. Again, if the assertive sentence remain everybody, everyone, all, we will use who does not to make them interrogative. We use who does not exchange of everybody, everyone, all. Let's some example. Everybody hates a liar. Okay. Who does not hate a liar? Have you understand? Rules number 4. Rules number 5. If the assertive sentence remain nobody, no one, none. If the assertive sentence remain nobody, no one, none, we will use only who to make them interrogative. Okay. Sorry. Rules number 5. If the assertive sentence remain nobody, no one, none, we will use only who to make them interrogative. Exchange of nobody, no one, none. Okay. Let's some example. Nobody trusts a dishonest man. Okay. Who trusts a dishonest man. Okay. Dear student, thanks everybody to enjoy my online class. I will discuss next rule in the next class. Allah Hafiz.